Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to showcase the 25 best hiking spots to explore around the world. Enjoy! Hiking is a popular outdoor activity that allows people to explore the beauty of nature and challenge themselves physically and mentally. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the lush rainforests of South America, the world offers a diverse range of hiking spots that cater to all levels of experience and interest. In this article, we have compiled a list of the top 25 hiking spots in the world, each with its unique features, stunning landscapes, and cultural experiences. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or a beginner, these trails offer something for everyone, from breathtaking views and adrenaline-pumping challenges to peaceful serenity and cultural immersion. So, pack your bags, grab your hiking boots, and let's explore the world's most beautiful hiking trails. Torres del Paine National Park, Chile. Located in the southern tip of Chile, the park is known for its towering granite peaks, turquoise lakes, and glaciers. It offers a range of hiking trails that vary in difficulty and length, and can take from a few hours to several days. Inca Trail, Peru. The Inca Trail is a popular trekking route that leads to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu. The trail covers 26 miles and takes 4 days to complete. Hikers will experience a variety of landscapes, including Andean mountain ranges, subtropical jungles, and Inca ruins. Everest Base Camp Trek, Nepal. The trek to the base camp of Mount Everest is a popular hiking spot, offering stunning views of the Himalayan mountain range. The trek usually takes around 12 to 14 days and covers a distance of 70 miles. Grand Canyon, USA. The Grand Canyon is a world-famous hiking destination with a range of trails that cater to all skill levels. The trails range from easy walks along the rim to strenuous multi-day hikes into the canyon itself. Yosemite National Park, USA. Yosemite is known for its stunning granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. It offers a range of hiking trails that vary in difficulty and length, with some of the most popular trails being the Mist Trail and the Half Dome Trail. The Milford Track, New Zealand. The Milford Track is considered one of the best hiking trails in the world, offering stunning views of the Fiordland National Park. The trail covers a distance of 33 miles and takes 4 days to complete. Cinque Terre, Italy. Cinque Terre is a coastal region in Italy that consists of 5 small fishing villages. The hiking trail that connects these villages is known for its stunning coastal views and takes around 5 hours to complete. Zion National Park, USA. Zion is known for its towering red sandstone cliffs and narrow canyons. The park offers a range of hiking trails that vary in difficulty and length, with some of the most popular trails being Angel's Landing and the Narrows. Tour du Mont Blanc, France, Italy, and Switzerland. The Tour du Mont Blanc is a 110-mile hiking trail that circles around the Mont Blanc Massif, offering stunning views of the Alps. The trail takes around 10 days to complete. Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city that is situated high in the Andes Mountains. The hiking trail to Machu Picchu is known as the Inca Trail and takes around 4 days to complete. Haute Route, France and Switzerland. The Haute Route is a high-level hiking trail that connects Chamonix in France to Zermatt in Switzerland. The trail covers a distance of 120 miles and takes around 12 days to complete. The W Trek, Chile. The W Trek is a popular hiking trail in Torres del Paine National Park that takes hikers through the park's most iconic landmarks, including the Grey Glacier, the French Valley, and the Torres del Paine peaks. The trail takes around 5 days to complete. Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest mountain and a popular hiking destination. The trail takes hikers through a range of landscapes, from rainforests to alpine deserts, and takes around 5 to 9 days to complete. The Kolala Trail, Hawaii. The Kolala Trail is a challenging 11-mile trail that takes hikers along the stunning Na Pali coast of Kauai Island. The trail offers stunning views of the coastline, waterfalls, and lush vegetation, but it can be dangerous due to its narrow and steep paths. The Overland Track, Australia. The Overland Track is a 40-mile trail that takes hikers through the heart of Tasmania's wilderness, offering stunning views of Cradle Mountain and Lake St. Clair. The trail takes around 6 days to complete. The Haiku Stairs, Hawaii. Also known as the Stairway to Heaven, the Haiku Stairs is a popular hiking spot on Oahu Island. The trail takes hikers up a steep and narrow stairway that offers stunning views of the island and the Pacific Ocean. The West Coast Trail, Canada. The West Coast Trail is a 47-mile trail that takes hikers along the rugged coastline of Vancouver Island, offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and rainforest. The trail takes around 5 to 7 days to complete. The Lycian Way, Turkey. The Lycian Way is a 300-mile trail that follows the coast of southwestern Turkey, offering stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Taurus Mountains. The trail takes around 25 to 30 days to complete. The Tour du Mont Blanc, Italy. The Italian section of the Tour du Mont Blanc offers stunning views of the Aosta Valley, the Gran Paradiso National Park, and the Mont Blanc Massif. The trail takes around 8 to 10 days to complete. The Great Ocean Walk, Australia. The Great Ocean Walk is a 65-mile trail that takes hikers along the rugged coastline of Victoria, offering stunning views of the Southern Ocean and the 12 Apostles rock formations. The trail takes around 8 days to complete. The Kalau to Inla Lake Trek, Myanmar. The Kalau to Inla Lake Trek is a 3-day trek that takes hikers through the mountains of Myanmar, offering stunning views of the Shan State and the Inla Lake. The trail passes through several traditional villages and offers a unique cultural experience. The Laugavega Trail, Iceland. The Laugavega Trail is a 34-mile trail that takes hikers through the highlands of Iceland, offering stunning views of glaciers, hot springs, and volcanic landscapes. The trail takes around 4 to 5 days to complete. The Kumano Kodo Trail, Japan. The Kumano Kodo Trail is a network of ancient pilgrimage routes that connect several Shinto and Buddhist shrines in the Kii Peninsula of Japan. The trail offers a unique cultural experience and stunning views of the mountainous landscape. The Abel Tasman Coast Track, New Zealand. The Abel Tasman Coast Track is a 32-mile trail that takes hikers along the stunning coastline of the Abel Tasman National Park, offering stunning views of golden beaches, turquoise waters, and lush forests. The trail takes around 3 to 5 days to complete. The Pacific Crest Trail, USA. The Pacific Crest Trail is a 2,650-mile trail that stretches from the Mexican border to the Canadian border, offering stunning views of the Sierra Nevada and Cascade mountain ranges. The trail takes around 5 to 6 months to complete and is considered one of the most challenging hiking trails in the world. In conclusion, hiking is not only a great way to stay active and healthy, but it also offers an opportunity to connect with nature, explore new cultures, and challenge ourselves both physically and mentally. The world is full of breathtaking hiking trails, each with its unique landscapes, cultures, and experiences waiting to be explored. Whether you are looking for a short day hike or a long-distance trek, there is a trail out there for you. We hope this list of the top 25 hiking spots in the world has inspired you to get out and explore the beauty of nature and all that it has to offer. Happy hiking! Thanks for watching, subscribe.